Ever wanted to give your Telegram audience a seamless reading experience with instant mobile-friendly articles? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an instant view button for your Telegraph post on Telegram, making your content not only visually striking but incredibly easy to access. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share articles that open instantly with no extra clicks or waiting around. Let's dive right in. The great thing about Telegram's Instant View feature is that for standard Telegraph posts, it works almost like magic. There's no manual button creation involved. Instead, Telegram automatically generates the Instant View button for you as long as it recognizes your link. But to make sure this happens smoothly, there are a few crucial details you'll want to get right. First up, head over to the Telegraph website and create your post. Take your time crafting the content, whether it's an article, story, or announcement. When you're ready, hit publish. This step is important because Telegraph will then generate a unique URL, giving your post its own direct link on the internet. Think of this URL like the street address for your article. Telegram uses this to find and format your content for instant viewing. Next, you'll want to copy that unique Telegraph URL. Make sure you grab the entire link, double-check that it starts with https://telegraph.ph/. Accuracy matters here. Copying the correct link ensures Telegram can identify your post and pull it up with instant view. Now paste this link directly into any Telegram chat group or channel. Here's a subtle but vital tip. For Telegram to recognize the post, your message should feature the raw Telegraph link clearly in the text. Imagine you're sending a postcard. If the address is muddled among lots of other stuff, it's harder for the recipient to know where it's meant to go. To guarantee success, keep the Telegraph link as the main focus. Don't bury it among multiple URLs or embed it within fancy text formatting. Once you send the message, Telegram will spring into action. You'll see a preview of your article, and right underneath, the Instant View button appears. Usually, it's shown with a little lightning bolt icon signaling ultra-fast access. This button lets anyone in the chat open your post right from within Telegram, formatted beautifully for mobile screens. It's quick, direct, and removes friction for your readers. But what if things don't go as planned and the Instant View button doesn't show up? Don't worry, there are a couple of common causes and they're easy to fix. First, check that your Telegraph link isn't competing with other links or media in the same message. Telegram's parser likes things straightforward, so make sure the Telegraph URL is front and center and that Telegram successfully generates a preview. Second, avoid using custom formatting like markdown hyperlinks for the URL. The raw Telegraph.ph link needs to be visible and unaltered in the message. If you tweak this, Telegram should detect the link and add the Instant View button automatically. If you're an advanced user working with custom domains, things can get a bit more technical. You'll need to create a tailored Instant View template using Telegram's Instant View Editor and API, involving rules like XPath. But for most creators using the standard Telegraph site, you don't need to worry. Telegram's automatic system covers you. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll enable your viewers to dive into your articles instantly, right from Telegram. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple, smart tutorials that make your online experience better every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.